going on, YouTube? Super excited today. I got this package delivered all the way from the great state of Tennessee, and there's a little sticker on there that says Powermatic. So I got to figure out how to get this package, which weighs about 370 pounds, from my garage to the workshop, and then we'll unbox it. So let's do this. Okay, so I honestly don't know how I was able to do that by myself. It's definitely a two-person job. I did have that hand truck, which helps, but again, I don't recommend trying this by yourself. In any event, the boxes are in my workshop, so we're going to go ahead and let's unbox them. Okay, now that we have all three boxes in my shop, we're going to start unboxing. We're going to first start with the top box here, which is a mobile base for the unit. As you can see, my shop is pretty small. It's 12 by 18. I'm going to want a mobile base for all my equipment if I can get it. So this is the first of three. The second one is the base itself, and then the last one on the bottom is the joiner itself. Okay, we're going to start with the mobile base. Okay, so now we have the base inside the mobile base, and I have to tell you, this is so heavy and solid. And again, full disclosure, I've never owned a Powermatic piece of equipment before. This is why I'm probably overly excited, but this is so solid and so heavy compared to my old joiner, which was a rigid 6-inch joiner. Now, that rigid 6-inch joiner, it's a beginner's joiner, but it served me well for over 25 years. I'm not knocking rigid at all. But this is definitely an upgrade. This is like going from a Chevy to a Cadillac. This is fantastic. I can't wait to get the cast iron joiner itself on top here and start using it. So why don't we go ahead and start unboxing the last box and take a look at this joiner. Oh, this is nice. These are used to push the material along over the blade. There's safety push pads, I guess. Pretty decent. Your belt to the belt drive. This is your cutting head cover, safety feature. This looks to be the belt cover. Oh, this is the fence, and it looks like I have to get this unit out before I take the fence out. Got some tools and some hardware right here. That's heavy. I think I'm gonna have to recruit my son to help me with this. And it's nighttime. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, you ready? I think we're pretty good, buddy.
Yeah.
I appreciate your help.
No problem.
That's a heavy...
It wasn't that bad to deadlift.
No, it wasn't bad. Okay, so with the help of my son, we were able to put the heavy top part into position on the base. It's held together with 3 bolts. Something you can't see, but all the machine areas are covered in oil. They do that to protect it during shipping. We're supposed to use kerosene, according to the instructions, to get this oil off. I gotta be honest with you, I don't know where to pick kerosene up at. They don't sell it at the gas stations around me. So what I did, I went to Home Depot, I got a degreaser. This stuff's called crud cutter, but it's supposed to cut the grease, and it's color safe, so it won't affect, or shouldn't affect, the paint job. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. I'm supposed to spray it on the surface, let it sit for a minute, and then wipe it off. No, it's a foam. Okay, looks like the crud cutter did a pretty good job. The grease came off real easy, and all the machined areas look really nice. So the next step is I have to take some paste wax and I have to apply it to the machine areas, and then I have to rub that out and get rid of the wax. What that's going to do is it's going to fill in the microscopic pores that you can't see in the cast iron, so it's just going to make for a smooth action when you're feeding your material through the joiner. Okay. Okay, so we have the belt on. Next step is to put the fence on. And before I put the fence on, I know I told you earlier, the instructions tell you to degrease all the surfaces, but now we have to actually apply a little bit of oil to the parts that are going to be touching that keep the fence on. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, so let's just recap. We installed the base into the mobile unit. We installed the top joiner unit onto the base. We degreased the machined cast iron. Then we put some paste wax on the exposed areas. We installed our fence. We adjusted our fence. It's true. It's 100% square right now. We attached the cutter head guard handle here. We attached the cover to the pulley. We also put the pulley onto the engine that's attached to the cutter head. So I think we're ready to go. This is the moment of truth. I'm getting really excited. Yeah, it takes a little bit of work to get it up and running, but I love doing this stuff, so I bet you do too. So again, here's the moment of truth. Can you tell how excited I am? This is, wow, what a difference between my old rigid and this. This is night and day. I know I mentioned it before, it's like going from a Chevy to a Cadillac, but my goodness, what a difference. It's so smooth, it's so solid. This is heavy, so you would expect it to be solid, but it is just solid and just so smooth, sending my material through. So, you know, in woodworking, obviously, you know, things have to be square. When you're milling up your wood, it's critical that everything is square. I could tell this is, you know, you can't, I don't know if you can see this, but you can't get better than this. This is wonderful. This is just a piece of pressure treated 2x4, but that edge is so sharp. This is amazing. I am so excited. Again, you know, I felt it's time for me to upgrade some of my equipment one at a time. Budget, you know, allowing me, but this was, I'm so happy with this purchase. Again, it's not the cheapest brand. In fact, it's probably one of the most expensive, but in this case, certainly you're getting what you pay for. This is awesome. And guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Okay.